Welcome to the world of Fusion. This is part 3 in the configuration series. In this video, we are going to see final notes and limitations of configurations. You can watch parts 1 and 2 through the link in the description. So, without further ado, let's get started. Save the design and choose the location. And you can see that we have the configuration icon enabled. And let's say you want to export this one. Just click on Export. And here you have Configure Design and Active Configuration. So Active Configuration will give you an F3D file, whereas Configure Design will give you an F3Z file. So it will be like all the configurations will be involved. And if you choose Active Configuration, only Configuration 3 will be exported. This is how it works. And the next thing is when you insert a component into a new design, it will ask you for the configuration to choose. Let's add this wardrobe, and it will ask me for the configuration to pick and all the parameters that are displayed in the configuration table. You can see the insert status on the bottom right corner. Our design got inserted, and if you say OK, this is how you can insert. I'm going to close it. Fine. This is all about configuration. Let's see the notes. Currently, it is available only to commercial and education users, so you need to switch to Teams. You cannot access configurations if you are in single-user storage. When the file is inserted, you will be prompted to choose the configuration. Turning off holes. Patterns will make the file smooth and use in drawings. ThemeTable allows you to group parameters into one when the configurator involves more parameters. Saved configured designs will be distinguishable with an icon. You have a configuration which allows you to remove configurable parameters and a configuration table, which allows you to change the value of added configurable parameters. Configurations apply for all workspaces. So whether you render, generative design, simulation, for animation, simulation, and generative design each configuration, you have to set these things up from scratch, except for rendering. When it comes to manufacturing, all setups will be the same for each configuration. You just have to generate the toolpath again. We have seen when you export or design. You can export it as a configured design with an F3Z extension or current configuration as an F3D extension. Using properties, you can input part numbers and descriptions. The limitations are recalculation or rebuild cannot be done for linked features. For example, extrude multiple times is involved in this design, whereas single pattern for all these extrudes. Let's say we configure it. Configuration is not allowed here if we suppress one extrude. Pattern is using all the extrudes suppressing one extrude, resulting entire pattern suppress. So it would be great if WEO rebuilds again the features, so when one extrude is suppressed, the pattern will use that whatever extrudes that are there to be configured in the configuration in the design view. Theme tables in the view cannot be sorted. If you have multiple theme tables, if you want to move and organize theme tables from 1 to 3 or any order you want, that is not possible yet. So these are the limitations. This is all for this video. In the upcoming video, If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Since you've made it to the end, consider liking, subscribing, and following our Instagram. We share daily quizzes, Fusion updates, and tutorials. Stay tuned for our upcoming video.